Hey there, welcome to Endure and Enjoy. It's April and Mother Nature gave us one last gift. A fresh dump of snow and freezing cold nights.
So, we're heading into the mountains again. No hot tent this time, just a tarp and lessons we learned this winter.
So come along for the ride. It's gonna be awesome. Look up there. Not sure if you can see it, but there's a herd of deer grazing. So a few months ago, for our first video, we also did a no tent camping trip. It was kind of a fail because we didn't stay warm the whole night. So this time we're trying it again, and hopefully we will stay warm this time. We're better prepared, have an idea of we have a better shelter idea, and hopefully it's going to be a successful camping trip with no tents. That's what happens when you try to take a step back. God damn it. That'll keep the bags nice and dry. And we got what I think is a fox trail, and over here we got rabbit trails. So I assume a fox has been passed here to hunt.
We've been looking around for a spot for shelter. We think we found one.
But first, a cup of tea.
It's good stuff.
Warms the soul.
We did a bit of snow shoveling, and now it's time to get some wood to build our A-frame. Pretty high.
Yeah, maybe I should tie them lashing a bit lower.
Okay, so we made quite a jump. We were working all afternoon. We wanted to make a big A-frame shelter, but we brought the wrong tarp. This tarp was too small, so we had to improvise. Well, eventually this is what we came up with. It's like a A-frame slash lean-to shelter. In the evening we can sit over there, and at night we can close it. We'll see, because we want to make a long fire right in front of the fire reflection wall, and so maybe we'll keep it open like this.
Well, that's going nicely. Nice and warm. So I'm making tortellini soup. So to make it, I got sausage in here, I got onion, and of course I got tortellini. Well, let's see.
It's probably hot.
Yep. Ooh.
Ah,
Delicious, isn't it?
yeah, very good.
Woohoo! Yeah, nice song.
The only song I know.
Now I guess it's time for some dessert. Today we got vanilla pudding.
Milk, not more.
I don't think it's gonna fit in the pan otherwise.
Well, I think you can have a bit more easily.
Alright. Well, alright. What were the steps again? You first put the milk on a boil, then put the pudding in?
Oh, that's good milk. Sorry, what?
Do you first boil the milk and then put the pudding in, or do you do it you boil the milk with the pudding?
I don't know. Your mother told you what to do. A couple of times, I believe.
Yeah, I remember now. You put the pudding in first. Yeah, let it boil until it gets thick, and then you let it cool off. Pudding was just done with some boiling. We've now put it in this neat cake form to cool off. Let's have a little sneak peek at the taste. Oh, that's good.
No need to wait until it cools off. Finished it.
That was
delicious.
It was delicious. So we turned our small fire into a nice big log fire, and we hope that will burn the whole night and keep us nice and warm. But it is really nice and cozy in here right now. Okay, it's 11:30. It's way past our bedtime, but now we're nice, cozy and warm in our 3-season sleeping bags. So we'll see you guys in the morning.
Good night, folks.
Morning, guys. Slept pretty good. Fire kept us warm all night. Ooh, it's windy out there. So yeah, the fire kept us warm the whole night, but now it's not looking too good. So how about we fix that and make ourselves some food? Good morning to you, by the way.
Good morning.
How'd you sleep? If you couldn't already tell, he doesn't like sleeping bags.
Hey. I'm hungry. What do we have for breakfast?
We got French toast sticks. Very fancy.
Ooh.
Let's warm up some butter. Alright, nice and soaked. Yeah. Oops. Sorry about that one.
Don't matter.
Damn, this pan gets very hot very quickly.
Let's cook the next batch a little bit shorter.
Yeah.
We just put some, throw some powdered sugar on top. Okay, let's try. We came.
We made a decent shelter.
We cooked up some good campfire food.
We slept well.
We had a good time.
And now let's get out of here. Hey, you know what's great about a second day? You know what's great about a second day?
Yeah.
It's all down, down, down.
Exactly. This doesn't feel like the end of winter to me. Feels like proper winter, actually.
Yeah.
I love it. Very nice. The cold, the quiet.
Beautiful.
Fantastic. Huh?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Hey, what do you think? I think it's gonna be warmer next week. What do you think would be fun to do for in the springtime? Like what kind of trips?
I'd say kayaking would be a lot of fun.
Yeah, kayaking. That's also something I would like to try. Maybe do a little fishing as well.
Oh yeah, we've never really fished here, have we?
No.
It would be fun to try to learn it some.
Yeah, would be fun.
Holy moly! Look at them. Well, there's the gates to civilization. We're not survival experts.
Just a father and son figuring it out in the cold.
If that's your kind of adventure, subscribe to our channel and stick around. We've got more.
Until next time,
And
and enjoy.